No matter how seasoned a chef you are, there are always new ingredients and recipes to get fired up about. So, if a tired old recipe is getting you down, spice it up with fresh ideas and flavours.
So exciting eating
Raw steak. You got raw steak.
Gordon Ramsay has a big reputation for having a big personality.
That's raw.
Raw.
I'm in California, so let's go for California burger,
California,
please.
sure.
Thank you. No, definitely cowboy burger. Obviously, I'll have to go for the award-winning burger.
Okay.
Wow. That's the award-winning burger. Shocking. I asked for mid-rare, it's raw. Oh, this is the award-winning?
Yeah.
I know I asked for it mid-rare, but just raw.
Oh no, Blavvy's gonna puke.
This is a tasty burger.
It's raw. Come on, quick! Just touch that.
Yeah, it's cold.
Touch it, Stone cold! Jackie, we're stuck in neutral. How long for that char?
3 minutes, chef.
It's cold and raw.
Still rather, well, Arctic cold. Ugh.
Take the stupid fish. Raw! Young lady, are you serious? It's like you don't care. If you don't care, then go home. Yank! Get out! I told you I would put up another service this bad. Get out!
You guys can wait as long as you want, but 1 minute from right now, I'm gonna eat some food.
First entree, 2 chicken, 2 Wellington.
Yes, chef.
Chicken, chef.
Go.
Pink chicken.
I'm curious about that chicken. The chicken's raw.
I heard the F-bomb. Chef said the F-bomb.
Pink chicken. Raw. Raw. Get it back in the oven.
It's like an oven in here.
I gotta refry your chicken all day.
We may have a dummy on the chef's table.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, the chicken is raw.
It's raw! It's fucking raw!
Young lady, you are standing right in front of it.
Boris!
Yes, sir.
Come here.
Yes, sir.
So I'm telling her about a raw pizza, and you'll mimic me at the back.
Sorry, chef.
Yeah, so I'm telling her the pizza's raw. Come here, you fuckface.
Oh, no.
Are you out of your mind?
It's not a chuck steak. Look at that fat there. What's
That's
that?
not rendered out. That's raw.
You're only serving the middle, the most expensive meat in the country. But you
Okay.
can't just trash that. Who sliced it?
I do know.
So what do you do when you slice the first slice and it's raw? What do you
Send
do?
it back.
If it's that raw on the ends, what's the middle like?
It's gonna be completely undone.
Oh, come on, Jason. Me.
What did we eat?
Pork chop's completely raw.
Oh,
like
no.
raw, like
Oh,
cold.
no.
And...
Stop. We're in trouble here.
Those bastard came out. Emily approved them.
One more.
Emily approved them.
One more.
Oh, Emily approved them.
Okay, then.
That was one raw pork chop.
Captain, you need to be a little bit more protective. You can't just, they're all cooked. Get a grip.
Big mistake. Big. Huge.
Emily,
Yes, chef.
I'm going to look as stupid as you if that goes out.
Yes.
Okay?
Absolutely.
Come on, sweetheart. Come to daddy.
Who's your daddy now?
What is
Oh,
it?
dang it. I'm sorry, chef.
Honestly, it's like a pigsty over there.
No, Patrick. Raw.
What is this crap?
A good vet could bring that back to life. Can we start again?
Yes,
To steak and to skate.
Let's do this.
This is a nightmare. Why don't you just take your aprons off and stop now?
They didn't move.
My team is not taking off their aprons. We're going to finish as strong as we can, and we're going to win.
That is freaky.
I don't understand what you're doing, Kerry. You're dropping your spoon, you're putting it back in your pocket. Come on. Kerry, it's not cooked. It's raw. Oh. It's raw. It is raw, young lady. Raw. It's raw. You're going to kill someone. You can't serve raw bacon.
I was saving that bacon.
Not good enough. Take your apron off and go.
Our food is the best by far. No one's ever done this.
So we have the French onion soup to start you off.
Thank you, my darling. Who made the soup?
Joe makes the soup.
Normally should be a little more packed with onions.
Oh boy.
I get it. Are you that stupid? It's raw. Wake up! I'm not here to show an idiot you can't put raw onions in an onion soup. Come here, you. Should we put raw onions in a caramelized onion soup? Tell him! No.
This is delicious.
Valentine Massacre.
What are you doing to people? Give me an answer!
Yeah, everybody's really sick from that restaurant.
Look at the mess here.
Gordon totally lost it.
Oh boy.
You're gonna kill someone! Partners! Partners in crime!
This is not a romantic eat out. This is a Valentine massacre.
And there you go. You touch it then. Now look at me. Take the tap me now, face.